Energy first, form second. It ain't the skill that made them gods. It's how they moved inside silence. They didn't chase time, they rearranged it. Energy first, form second. I don't move with the world, I fold it like scrolls. Mind bending seconds, I extract what it holds. I operate from zones where the language is light, seeing patterns unfold in the absence of sight. While they wait on the moment I arrive before thought. Frequency locked in with time never caught. The flow ain't a habit, it's a gateway unseen, where the master paints fate in a rhythm pristine.
They move through shadows beyond the line. Each breath a line, each step divine. You call it power, but it's older than rhyme. They didn't play in time, they play with time.
I don't walk, I glide through vibrations and threads. Turn chaos to form in the silence they dread. I'm shape-shifting, voice drifting, cloak of the unseen. Script of the ether, ink drip between dreams. Energy don't lie, it moves like a beast. From the spine of the stars to the belly of the streets. They move in rhythm, I move in law. With the pulse of the cosmos in every draw. True mastery is not in the blade, but in when you choose not to swing it. I transcend routine, exist past linear pace, where cause and effect reshape in place. From breath to breath, I anchor the now, observing from stillness while they wonder how. It ain't muscle, it's mind, ain't memory, it's math. Rewriting the future by stepping off the path. Call it myth, call it fiction, call it fate. But I bend vibration, watch reality
We
wait.
move through shadows beyond the line. Each breath a line, each step divine. You call it power, but it's older than rhyme. They didn't play in time, they played with time.
You feel that stillness? That's where the greats live. They don't chase destiny, they design it.
They move through shadows beyond the line. Each breath a line, each step divine. You call it power, but it's older than rhyme. They didn't play in time, they play with time. You feel that stillness? That's where the greats live. They don't chase destiny, they design it.
Truth. Got no passport. It travels through silence. One master teaches motion, another stillness. But the blade cuts the same if the spirit behind it pure. Yo, truth ain't owned, it's uncovered in still breath. Ain't no monopoly, it's the path beyond death. Jesus, Buddha, Krishna, all speak flame, different tongues, same source, just different names. They box and guard in stained glass frames, but I found them in a cipher between thoughts and chains. Spirituality ain't about what you call it, it's how you walk it, not how you mark it or install it.
Don't follow the label, become the light. The words all different, but they shine the same night. You are the message, the fire, the proof. Don't wait for a savior, become the truth.
Yo, I ain't saved by no name that was whipped on my back, but I still see divine in the scriptures they jacked. Colonized minds, but the word still glows. I spit psalms with a blade that the system don't know. Don't quote me, chapters, live the vibe. They taught religion, but the mystics survive. I read between verses, past the pain to a Christ that ain't right, he just knew the game.
The temple you seek is within your chest. Read not with eyes, but with breath.
Religion been flipped, you to conquer the globe, but I sift gold from rubble to code the road. I ain't loyal to titles, I'm loyal to truth. I build from the silence, not just what's in the booth. You waiting on a savior, nah, look within. The works I do, you will do, let that begin. Ain't no second coming, just the first reveal. When you rise from the script and you start to feel.
Don't follow the label, become the light. The words all different, but they shine the same night. You are the message, the fire, the proof. Don't wait for a savior, become the truth.